grind the dates into a fine paste. Add desiccated coconut to it. You will get a paste something like this. Now add the nuts to it. Mix it well. The process is going to be a little messy, so please be careful. Now roll them into small balls. Now roll the laddus into the coconut. One more. Wow! This is full of energy. It has no sugar, so it's very healthy. Lot of antioxidants coming from the nuts. And now one last one. Yes! And your energy bites are ready.